Добар ден, драги ученици! Моето име е Катерина Јанева, наставник по англиски јазик во Основното училиште Даме Груев во село Ерџелија, Свети Николе. Денешната наставна единица е наменета за учениците од 9-то одделение. Денес ќе зборуваме за три веќе добро познати граматички времиња: present simple или сегашно просто време, present continuous или сегашно трајно време и present perfect или сегашен перфект. Затоа целите на овој час ќе бидат да се запознаеме или да го повториме образувањето и употребата на сегашното просто време или present simple tense, сегашното трајно време или present continuous tense и минато несвршено време или present perfect tense. Да ја согледаме разликата помеѓу овие три времиња и да можеме да ги употребуваме овие времиња во соодветна ситуација, во пишана и во говорна форма. Now we are going to start with something easy. We have three sentences on the left side and three pictures on the right side of the slide. So, I watched TV on Sunday, I'm watching TV now, I have just watched TV. And we are supposed to match the sentences to the pictures. I watched TV on Sunday, that means that I'm doing that action every Sunday, it's my habit. So that sentence matches picture. Yes, you're right, picture C. I'm watching TV now. I'm not watching TV now. The woman there sitting on the sofa is watching TV. That's picture A. I have just watched TV. That means that I started doing something else, like running. That's picture, yes, B. You're right. What is the most present of these tenses? Кој е најсегашното од овие времиња? Гледаме дека сите овие времиња во своето име имаат present, 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 што значи сегашност. Но дали сите искажуваат сегашност? И дали сите се сегашни? Кој е најсегашно од овие времиња? Present continuous, the most present tense of all. I'm doing the action at the moment. Сегашно трајно, најсегашното од сите времиња. Јас го вршам дејството во моментот или сега. Present simple, we use present simple for habits, routines, general truths. I usually do things that are repetitive. Вообичаено правам работи што се повторуваат. Present perfect, past. Сегашен перфект или минато несвршено време е повеќе поврзано со минатото. Don't let my name fool you. I have a little connection to the present. Не дозволувај моето име да те залажи. Имам само мало поврзување со сегашноста. Тоа е дејството или резултатот од минатото се пренесува во сегашноста. Например, I have broken my leg. Now I am in hospital. Јас скршив мојата нога во минатото и сега сум во болница. Се гледа резултатот, скршената нога. Значи, заедничко за овие времиња е презент што имаат во своето име или сегашноста, а разликите се повеќе. Најсегашно од сите е present continuous, па може да го ставиме present simple, а најминато е present perfect. How do we form these tenses? Present simple, affirmative form. We form present simple in affirmative form if the subject is I, you, we, they. We add verb and that's it. I, we, you, they watch TV plus object. But if the subject is he, she, or it, we add s to the verb form. He, she plays computer games. Negative form. We form negative form with don't and doesn't when we put don't and doesn't before the verb. So, what is the difference? When do we use don't and when do we use doesn't? If the subject is I, we, you, they, we use don't. If the subject is he, she, or it, we use doesn't. But remember, when we have doesn't, the verb does not have s, doesn't swim. So that don't becomes doesn't and that's it. We are done with the s. Do not is the full form, don't is the short form. Does not is the full form, does not is the short form. Interrogative form or question form. Do and does. Now you can guess. We have do when the subject is I, we, you, they. And when the subject is he, she, or it, we have does. Also, the verb does not have s if we have does. Do becomes does, and we are done with that s. So, do you drive a car? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does she ride a bike? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Present continuous tense, affirmative form. We make present continuous tense with subject plus the verb to be in present simple plus verb, the main verb, plus suffix ing, the suffix ing. I'm playing football. He, she, it is playing football. We, you, they are playing football. We have am, is, are, plus verb, plus ing. So we can make these forms shorter. Am, his, their. We are just replacing the first letter with an apostrophe. Само го заменуваме првата буква со апостроф и ги правиме овие форми пократки. Negative form. We just add not before the verb. I'm not cooking. He isn't cooking. We, you, they aren't cooking. Is not is the full form. Isn't is the short form. Are not is the full form. Aren't is the short form. We use more frequently the short form. Повеќе ја користиме кратката форма. Isn't, aren't, не, is not. Interrogative form, question form, прашална форма. If we have I'm playing, in question form we have am I playing. The subject and the verb to be in present simple tense are changing the places. Само се ги менуваат местата глаголот sum во сегашно време и субјектот и добиваме am I. Am I singing? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is she singing? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Are they singing? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Present perfect tense. We make this tense with subject plus have or has plus verb plus ed if the verb is regular or past participle of the verb if it's irregular. Значи ова време го правиме со субјект, have или has и ed на глаголот ако е правилен или past participle минат партицип од глаголот ако глаголот е неправилен. Например, I, you, we, they have played football. He, she, it has won a lottery. We have when the subject is I, we, you, they, and has when the subject is he, she, it. Play is regular, we have played. Won, win is irregular verb, so we have won, past participle of win. Negative form, негативна форма, have becomes haven't, has becomes hasn't, and it's similar to affirmative form. Haven't is a short form of have not, hasn't is a short form of has not. Interrogative or question form, we have if we have I have played football in affirmative form, have and I are just changing the places, and we have I played football. In my example, we have I survived the quarantine? Yes, I'm alive, I'm still here, and you probably survived the quarantine. Everyone survived the quarantine, luckily. Has he, she swam the lake? Yes, he, she has. No, she, it hasn't. When do we use these tenses? I usually teach at school. We use present simple for habits, routines and general truths. Го користиме сегашно просто време за навики, рутини и за општи вистини. Adverbs of time, прилози за време. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, seldom, never. Once a year, twice a day, 3 times a week, 4 times a month. Every day, every week, every month, every year, every summer, every winter, every Saturday, etc. He is doing his homework now. Present continuous. We have ing, is, and now. And we use present continuous for actions happening now at the moment. Го користиме сегашно трајно време за дејства што се случуваат сега или во моментот. Прилози за време. Adverbs of time are now, at the moment, сега и во моментот. Present perfect. I have lost my keys. Ги изгубив клучевите. They are still missing. Се уште ги нема. Present perfect. Значи резултатот од тоа минато дејство се чувствува и во сегашноста. Се поврзува минатото со сегашноста. Тоа е тоа време. Затоа се вика и минато несвршено време, како да не завршило во сегашноста. Прилози за време. Adverbs of time. Ever, never, for experiences and achievements, since and for past action that continues in the present, just, already, yet, recent past. Let's practice. Identify the tenses of the sentences. Идентификувајте ги времињата во овие реченици. I have marked the verbs in red and the adverbs of time in green. Have watched is the verb, already is the adverb of time. Already is the adverb of time for present perfect. Yes, you're right. They are having dinner now. Are having is the verb and now is the adverb of time. So it's present continuous action happening now at the moment. We don't like dogs. Don't like is present simple, yes. And now she often plays tennis, but now she is playing volleyball. We have two tenses. Often plays, one tense. She is playing volleyball now is another tense. So the first one is present simple and the second one is now she is playing volleyball, present continuous. Yes, you're right. Now something more interesting. I have marked some of the verbs in red, some of the verbs in blue. So I have present simple here and present perfect. Maybe also I have present continuous, but I haven't marked that. You will guess which sentence has the verb in present continuous. She is a popular singer. She is from Macedonia. She's tall. She's got brown wavy hair and brown eyes. She has started singing when she was 11 years old. She has got a beautiful voice. She represented Macedonia twice at the Eurovision Song Contest with the song Od nas zavisi and Moјот свет се вика музика. At the moment, she is spending a lot of time with her family. I will help you. She is the Macedonian girl, македонското девојче или Каролина Гочева, да. Now I have another exercise for you. Друга вежба. You're supposed to put the verbs in brackets in the appropriate tense. Present simple tense, present continuous, or present perfect tense. We at a party today. So we are at a party today. Today, Nick a birthday have. Now, at the moment, Nick is having a birthday. Many guests already come. We have already, and it's an adverb of time for present perfect. Many guests have already come to his party. Everybody is happy. At the moment, Lisa is dancing with Mark. At the moment or now, Tina is holding some drinks and ice cream. Barbara and Tina at the moment are talking about the party. They like the party. They like the party. It's like that. At the moment, Michael is standing at the table. He not eat anything yet. We have yet. Yet is an adverb of time for present perfect. So we have he has not eaten or hasn't eaten anything yet. And he is hungry. He not have time for lunch yet. Again, yet we said is for present perfect. He hasn't had time for lunch yet. All of the guests have a good time at the party. At the moment or now are having a good time at the party. So today Nick and his friends are celebrating his birthday. Many happy returns of the day, Nick. Complete the sentences. Now you're supposed to complete these sentences in your own way. На ваш начин пополнете ги речениците, но јас ќе ви дадам мои идеи. I am feeling excited. I often feel bored. My brother never walks, but now he's walking. They have just had dinner. Внимавајте, just е прилог за време за present perfect. Have you ever, кој имате, traveled to China? She in Tokyo for 10 years. Имате for, тоа е за present perfect. She has lived in Tokyo for 10 years. Sandra never done, has never done, бидејќи имаме never и done, веќе глаголот ни е ставен во минат партицип, само has, бидејќи е таа. Sandra has never done bungee jumping. Mark hasn't finished his homework yet. And now the last task for you is To write as many sentences as you can or you want by using present simple, present continuous and present perfect. Напишете онолку реченици колку што можете, тоа е малку неблагородно од моја страна, него колку што сакате, ајде 3 или 4 во present simple, present continuous и present perfect, а за оние што сакаат повеќе да пишуваат, може еден краток состав со користење на овие времиња. И на крај да ви се заблагодарам за вашето внимание. Thank you for your attention. Stay safe. Останете безбедни. Bye.